Folks, we've been tracking light to moderate showers the last hour or two across the valley. A lot of heavier rain this morning in the lower valley. That since kind of weakening a bit, but most of the valley, a vast majority of the area is dry. See the showers right here, basically south San Juan, back to the south side of Pharr, into the south side of McAllen, and then scattered stuff across portions of Cameron County. Here's our stalled front right here. And notice the wind direction. If you're on the west side of the front, your wind is basically out of the north. If you're on the other side of the front, it's out of the east-southeast. And look what that does to temperatures. On the west side of the front, closer to the upper 60s and low 70s. East side of the front with the winds coming off the Gulf, 78 to 79 degrees. And the front's been sitting there kind of meandering back and forth much of the day. Brownsville will cool off, warm back up, cool off, warm back up, and it's the shifting winds because of that front doing that. Now, overnight tonight, we still see a little bit of a difference, but not a lot. Upper 60s in the west, low 70s in the east. And then tomorrow, well, tomorrow we warm back up valley-wide because our front turns into a warm front, pushes northward, and when that happens, everybody to the islands back in the 80s. The island stays at 76 with partly sunny skies by afternoon, probably some clouds early still, but as the day goes on, the sun will come out. Normal high now is up to 77. We should average about 86 tomorrow. Wednesday, we're 88, then another front comes in and brings us down closer to normal for Thursday. Could bring a cloud, maybe a couple of showers around as well. Here's satellite and radar together over the last 12 hours, and you see a fair amount of rain just kind of training across the area. The last shower that came up from the south, that last one kind of split in two, part of it going to the west, part of it going to the east, but a lot of it forming right along that boundary. Well, the front goes through to the north tonight. That allows the warm, humid air to build across the rest of the valley as well. And then tomorrow afternoon, we should see some sunshine readings again, as you saw climbing back in the 80s. Patchy clouds again, but Wednesday afternoon, we're back to partly sunny skies, maybe mostly sunny across the region again, so it's hot again. And then early Thursday, our next front works its way into the picture. Could trigger a couple of showers, and clouds linger during the daytime on Thursday, but I think the showers are overnight, so we're mainly dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Better chance for showers shows up than with the next front over the weekend. These are the currents around Texas, and everybody finally back out of the cold. 69 in Dallas, Abilene, Austin at 68, San Antonio 75. You look at the map and you see all the moisture down here. That's why we're cooler with that front in the neighborhood. It does move back to the north, bringing more warm air to the state by this time tomorrow afternoon. That warm front continues to push out, so Wednesday is a warm day across the state. Here comes the next front. That's due in the area Thursday, bringing cooler temperatures and maybe a shower or two by the end of the week when even the next front pushes into the region. Check the rest of the country and see what's going on. 63 in Nashville right now, 50 in State College. Really pretty nice for this part of the country for this time of year, and even up into the upper Midwest, late February, upper 30s and low 40s. They'll take that. Chilly in the Northwest. In the southwest, temperatures staying relatively mild. So let's look at a forecast for tonight across the area. A low of about 67. So the upper valley, you're not going to drop at all. Lower valley, you may go down just a little bit. Then tomorrow, clouds early, then some afternoon sunshine. Highs back around 86. 86, 88, then a front, 78. We come to 74 on Friday. Another front on Saturday gives us a chance for a few showers and a little cooler, but we bounce right back up into the 80s after that. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.